Pack yourself a toothbrush deal, pack yourself a favorite blouse, take a withdrawal slip, take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. I was not born to drown. Baby, come on. Forget what Father Brennan said. We were not born in sin. Leave a note on your bed, let your mother know you're safe. And by the time she wakes, we'll have driven through the state, we'll have driven through the night. Baby, come on. And when we looked outside, couldn't even see the sky. How do you pay the rent? Is it your